WLD coin or Worldcoin price prediction coming up. So basically yesterday I told you that we were right here, or the last video that I made, and I said we'll pump to this level and we'll short. We almost tweaked it, but I didn't manage to short. I managed to long though from the level I gave you for 0.8%, and after that we've been going up and down and up and down. The question is what will happen now. I've got a few scenarios planned and I've got a few trades up my sleeve, because I'm just waiting for one thing, exactly one thing, because exactly this level, you can see right here that we have liquidation. We just liquidated $92,000 worth of longs. So there's only one criteria I'm waiting for. I'll tell you it right now. Before we start, meme coin trades, how are they? 260 grand up on meme coin trades on VOOX, as you can see right here. 30 grand on this new wallet. If we go to the max, if 30 days, it's 3.7. Max is 30 grand. It's a new wallet. I started it from absolutely scratch. That's one of the wallets I'm working on after I got hacked. And also, if you use the link in the description down below, you'll be able to follow every single trade. And today we just took profit on Zero Bro, on HBAR, on IT, and a bunch of others. So definitely use the link in the description down below to follow my signals. And if you just want to learn how I trade, $117, my course, very simple. All my favorite patterns, how I find token cycles and everything. I'll be updating it with more things, which is to make it more interesting. And also, I'm switching from Maxi to BloFin. The reason is for security reasons. So if you want to make the switch with me, it's an OKYC exchange, $300 deposit bonus for new users. Again, everything will be available in the link in the description down below. I'm only waiting for one thing right now, so let me just mark it out on the chart. So I'm typing in T right here. Shorts run is closed. Shorts closed equals entry. So if we find some shorts being closed on 30 minutes with a candle close, so right now we're just getting shorts open. We want to get shorts closed and trapped. Some shorts trapped, some shorts closed. We'll start taking trades to the upside. So this is the WLD trade. If this video gets 10 likes, I'll make an update, another video tomorrow. See you next video.